They done figured out that life with me requires a little perseverance. So we're in the process. This is for my YouTube. You know I make YouTube videos, right?
Yeah, I heard, yeah.
You want to be in one?
No.
Okay. There's nobody on this side of the camera, folks, so if you hear a voice over there, just ignore that. So we have set a corner post there, one here, one over there, and then we have the corner of the house. We've made measurements, so we believe that is square. Now, whether it actually is or not, I have no idea, but I'd say to the best of my scientific, technical, and ecclesiastical abilities, I have done what I can do. And if it ain't good enough for you, then just, you know, go watch somebody else's channel, because I'm done with it. That's all I'm saying. You got anything to add? Hi! Okay then. Thank you.